What is clean girl makeup? The no makeup look, very glowy skin. You look like you have a very thorough skincare regimen, very expensive. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 20,000 of us over here. Today I'm coming to show you how to achieve clean girl makeup on your acne prone skin. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, what is clean girl makeup? I think clean girl makeup is just an extension of minimalist makeup. The no makeup look, very glowy skin. You look like you have a very thorough skincare regimen. And that's honestly where I think I excel. My makeup always looks pretty natural. Don't need to toot my own horn, but I am gonna toot it. So I think I already give clean girl makeup and I'm gonna show you how to achieve it today. First things first, please make sure you do your skincare. I'm going to prime using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is really good for just summertime and making sure that nothing is sliding off your face while it's super hot outside. But also, it's literally like the best primer ever. We're nice and primed. The next step in our clean girl makeup look is to conceal, don't feel. Word to Elsa, okay? I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer and I'm gonna hit all of my dark marks. Again, in clean girl makeup, we really want to give the illusion of superior skin and superior skin care. But when you have hyperpigmentation, that could mean concealing a little more if you want to. The decision that I'm making is to conceal my acne marks, my hyperpigmentation, and this is a very integral step for people who are acne prone that still want to get that look. Major key to clean girl makeup, I'm gonna go in with a beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. I would typically use a brush, but again, brushes really do give you a lot more coverage and the sponge is great at diffusing and dispensing that product all around your face, but also picking some up so it's not so heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out the concealer that we put on our face. Perfect, now we're ready to move on to foundation. For the clean girl makeup look, you absolutely positively can go in with a tinted moisturizer. For example, Fenty Beauty's Ease Drop Skin Tint, but you can still get a clean girl makeup look while using a medium to full coverage foundation. Let me show you how to do it. So right now I'm taking my summer and my winter shade. My summer shade is 385 in Fenty, my winter shade is 360. I'm only going to apply half a pump of each for a total of 1 full pump of foundation on my face. So this is all the foundation I'm going to put on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this foundation only again to those places on my skin where I know I need extra coverage. Next, going in with our concealer shades, and this is really to highlight our face like so. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head. Now I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my Mented setting powder in the color Light Tan. I'm using my sponge again. I'm going to dip in my hand so we're not putting any excess powder on our face. And press right into those areas. Now we're going to go into blush, and blush is one of those products where even if you go heavy, it still makes you look like you have great skin. So I'm going into this blush called Peach for the Stars by Mented, and we are going to apply that to my cheek area. Again, once you're done, just make sure you're pressing it into your skin, and you even want to dust your eyes with this as well. Bronzer, another product that just makes you look like you have great skin. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. This is super important for clean girl makeup, especially in the summer. So the most important step in your clean girl makeup routine is adding your glow, okay? I'm using Fenty Beauty's Diamond Balm in the color Royal Icing. This is what it looks like, and we just want to go ahead and emphasize that glow that it's already there. Will you regret everything? Just like that. Even gonna take this product on my finger and apply it to my eyes as a shimmer. All right, y'all, so the skin is done. This is our clean girl makeup skin. Now the only thing we have to do is add our final touches. Quickly going to fill in our brows. We're just going to give ourselves a little shape, more so at the end of the brow, and a little extra help, just a little extra help in the front. Major key for the brows is taking your edge control, and I'm really gonna make these brow hairs stand up. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is from Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift in the color Ultra Noir. And y'all, I love this mascara. We're gonna go in with 2 to 3 coats of this, again, to say we have lashes. Come on, y'all, get into the natural lashes. Last thing we have to do is add our lip. Now the lip can make or break you, because if you go too heavy, if you go too hard, it's gonna look like you tried. So we are gonna go in with the tried and true. This is like the Bigelow lip gloss that you get from Bath and Body Works. It's very, very sheer. It's minty, okay? It's giving very much upgraded chapstick and mascara girl. This is our clean girl makeup look. This is how you can achieve clean girl makeup and still have coverage, especially if you're someone who suffers from acne marks, hyperpigmentation, any skincare concern of the like. If you are someone who struggles with skincare concerns like I do, I hope this gives you the confidence to still try out this trend, y'all, because it's cute or whatever. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside.